Instagram new latest feature of repost. So hello guys, namaste everyone, welcome to my another new video. Welcome to the SRT YouTube channel. So from now, when you open your Instagram application, I just open my Instagram, and then in your feed, now you can see here is one random post, and now you can see here is one another option you usually see in any of the post, any kind of post, photos or reels. You will see usually three options are there. First one is like, second one is comment, and third one it will be send this reel or post to someone on your Instagram, to share this reel to any your Instagram friends. But now when you open your Instagram application after this update, when you update your Instagram application from Play Store, and again when you reopen your Instagram application, then you'll got to see one another option. This is the new feature which is called repost. Repost any reels, videos or photos of any friends or anything from any account in Instagram. So if you use TikTok or Twitter, you may know about this feature also. In TikTok you can easily repost any those videos or reels, any uploads from any account, public account. You can easily repost their video or reels to your TikTok account. So same as TikTok, now Instagram has also launched this feature in their application. So when you open your Instagram, now you can easily repost anything in your Instagram account. So when I just click on this my profile, this is my fake profile, just showing you for the example. Now usually when you open your Instagram, in your profile there are three options. First one is your post, second one is reel option, any reel which you have uploaded in your Instagram account, in this account. First one is post, second one is reel, and third one is tagged photos or any post. If anyone has tagged you in their post, it will be appear in this tab. So from now, here is one another option has been added to this account, which is called repost. So when I click on this repost tab, then same like in TikTok, if that account has reposted any of the videos or reels in their TikTok account, those reposted videos will appear in this tab. So same like in TikTok, now this feature has been added to Instagram also. When you open your Instagram account, then you will got to see this new latest feature of Instagram, repost tab. So in this repost tab, all those videos which you have reposted, it will be appear in this tab, this icon of repost. So same like as in TikTok and Twitter, so same this feature has been also added to Instagram. So any of the reel, so first of all I just go to this reel tab, and suppose this is one reel, I have paused this reel. So this is one reel, I want to repost this reel to my Instagram account. So how can I repost this? You can see here in this side, you'll see my mobile screen. So here are four options now. So before this update, usually here are three options. First one is like, this love react, and second one is comment, and third one is if you want to send this reel to anyone on your Instagram friends, you can use this last number option. But from now, after this update, here is one feature has been added in this tab, this repost tab. So I want to repost this reel. So how can I repost? Just you need to click on this repost button, this icon guys. So just click on this repost button and then done. You can see here you reposted this reel and and I just click on close button. So my account has shared this reel of this account. You will see all those details also. So I just go to my account, and then when I click on this repost tab, then you can see here this reel has been reposted to this Instagram account. I have reposted another reel. So anything reel or post, anything, you can easily share it to your Instagram account. So this is all about this update of repost in Instagram. So if you have not get this feature, what you need to do is just simply go to your Play Store and search for the Instagram app, and then first you have to update this application. If not updated, then after the update you will get this feature of repost in your Instagram feed also, and you can easily repost any photos, videos, reels or any uploads, public uploads from anyone. So this was for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and like, and also comment down for this new latest update. So for now, bye bye guys.